I am Dr. Rajan Modi, consultant cardiac surgeon at EpicHospital. See, in a normal heart, we have two arteries. This is aorta and this is a pulmonary artery coming out of the heart. But in Truncus Arteriosus, there is failure of separation of the two arteries. So two arteries are not separated. One single artery come out of the heart as a truncus, and two artery of the pulmonary artery arises from that truncal artery. And there is always a VSD between the two chambers of the heart, right and left ventricle. And this is how the mixed blood is flowing into the lungs as well as in the body. But the problem is lungs are always exposed to a high pressure. So lungs have a increased pulmonary artery pressure. This type of the defect occur in 1 in 10,000 live birth, and 80% of the children die in a first year of the age. So this is a very rare disease. We can see this. We have a baby, a Valerie from Papua New Guinea, PNG. She is a 2-year-old child, and she had a Truncus Arteriosus type 2, where the two separate artery, right and left pulmonary artery, arising from the truncus. Child, when came first, we find that child may be inoperable because she is a 2 year of the age, and because of severe pulmonary artery hypertension, very high risk surgery, and many centers has denied the surgery for that child. But we at EpicHospital evaluated the child, and Dr. Pawan Patel, pediatric cardiologist, and Dr. Naman Sastry, anesthesiologist and intensivist, decided to go ahead and do the surgery as child looked operable after the evaluation. We operated the child and we did the corrective surgery. We put a Contegra graft 14 mm from RV to pulmonary artery and closed the VSD with PTFE graft. After the surgery, child was 48 hours on ventilator, but after the treatment, child could recover very well, and we could extubate the child after the 48 hours. And on 8th day, child could get discharged, and now child is ready to go back to PNG.
Okay, my name is James Kennedy Steven. I'm the father of my daughter, Valerie Steven. She has a heart condition, and we are from Papua New Guinea in the South Pacific. We are here in India. We came for an operation. She has a heart condition when she was born, and we came for operation at this EpicHospital. We came here through a friend from Papua New Guinea, an Indian friend. He owns a private hospital in Papua New Guinea. The hospital name is Pacific International Hospital. He knows about the doctors here and the hospital here. But before that, she had that condition, and we, with the help of our doctors in Papua New Guinea, they found out the condition, and they've asked for, they've actually looked around for assistance, but we've looked in say Australia and Sydney, Brisbane, but we couldn't get assistance of air condition. So one of the doctors in PNG, his name is Dr. Yabo, he's a surgeon. He deals with all the children, all surgeries regarding children. He is a friend to the private doctor who's the CEO for Pacific International Hospital. And through that connection, they contacted Dr. Modi, Dr. Rajan Modi in the EpicHospital here. And we sent all the information regarding air condition to them, to the doctors here, and they went through that, and they said that they can do the surgery, and they asked us to come down, and we came. We came, and she went through the surgery. The surgery went for almost 9 hours, and the surgery was successful. And she went through, and then she was in the ICU for almost a week. And then after ICU, she was discharged to the surgical ward. She stayed there for another 3 to 4 days. And now it's the last day that we came for a review. And she's doing fine, she's doing great. And I'm so happy as a father. I'm very happy that the doctors here, the staff here, the nurses, they've done a great job. And the only thing that is of concern here is the language barrier. Most of them can't speak English, and we speak English. That's the only thing, but otherwise they were so friendly. The hospital was so good. They have all the equipments to assist in this operation, and they've done a tremendous job. On behalf of my daughter and my wife, and on behalf of our family from Papua New Guinea, we are so thankful and we are so happy that they've assisted my daughter, and she's given a second chance in life. And they've done a tremendous and a wonderful job. I would very much recommend, if you got any heart disease, heart problems you have, this is the hospital to be. And I have I'd like to recommend this hospital to any people out there who have problems with their heart. This is a hospital in India, in the Gujarat state of India, and in the city of Ahmedabad. And we are so happy. Thank you everyone. Thank you all the staff here. Thank you all the ancillary staff. Thank you all the security. Thank you all the wonderful people of India. Thank you so much.